Hello, my name is Tabea Posa, and I'm a shopaholic. Hello and welcome to my channel. So I am going glamping with my friends. We are actually celebrating my sister's 30th birthday. So I'm just going to show you how I prepare for a trip. This is a short lived, it's a short trip, just a weekend, so that's like what, 2 nights, 3 days. So there's not a lot of packing going on, but I do want to show you guys how I style my clothes, how I prepare for my Instagram content, you know, it has to be popping. So yeah, I'm gonna keep the colors very neutral. I'm not sure about this jacket, but anyway, so if you want to see how I get ready for a trip and how I decide what to wear and how I style my clothes, continue to watch this video. Okay, this is gonna be fun. This is gonna be fun. Okay, so what's up next? I bought this lovely shirt dress from an Instagram boutique. It is lovely. I think I've seen Kourtney Kardashian wearing something similar to this, but I won't mention where I bought this because the service was terrible, so I wouldn't recommend anyone buying from this boutique. So I won't mention the name, I won't ruin anyone's business, I'll just keep it popping because I do like the shirts, but the service was bad. So I'm thinking of pairing this shirt with these what's these, biker shorts or tights or whatever you want to call them. These biker shorts, I bought these cute biker shorts from Cotton On. After hearing everyone rave about the dad sandal and how the dad sandal was in, I had to go get myself dad sandals. I got these from Mr. Price. So affordable, so cute. Mr. Price, wow, you're doing the damn thing. Shame, you're doing the damn thing. So I got the dad sandals, and then I also got these heels from Mr. Price. Sure guys, these are stunning. Little kitten heel. Look at the front. I got these as well. Maybe I'll style them for glamping since the heel is short and it's not like a pencil heel. Okay, next up, literally my favorite. I only tried this on because I bought it from an online boutique. It is a zebra matching set. I bought this from The Pursuit online and it costs 450 rand and it is in a size large. I wanted the pants I wanted them to fit a little loose around my hip area because it does not stretch, but I'm going to tell you now that the quality is unbelievable. So I'm going to try this on. Yay! Oh my goodness, I love this zebra print suit. It fits me perfectly just the way I want it to. A little snug in the inner thighs, but it does have a stretch, as you can tell. It looks so good. Now for the shoe. So I think the dad sandals will work with this. Let me try it on and see first. Okay, I can definitely rock the dad sandals with this, or I can even wear my Aldo sneakers, my white Aldo sneakers. It will all depend on the weather. It fits great. I can wear it in multiple ways. Yeah, I am loving the sets. Cute. Okay, the other day my sister and I went shopping for the glamping. That's what we do whenever we have a trip, whether it's a small trip or a big trip. We like to shop for the trip, an excuse to go shopping. So I bought these pants from Zara, green. I don't know if this is still called bottle green or but it's a green and I love them. I think I'm gonna try and pair it with this top, this one arm top that I got from Zara as well. My sister and I also went to Aldo and I bought a pair of sneakers. I've worn these already. They're just so stunning. Look how pretty. They have like little studs, gold studs. I got these in a size 39, which is a size 6, and I bought these for glamping because I bought white sneakers from Vans white sneakers, and they are so uncomfortable for me, but my sister loves them, so I gave them to my sister, and she wears them like all the time. And then I also went to Cotton On and I got this jacket. Oh my goodness, I love it, and it was on sale. You know, I love a bargain. So the original price was 700 rand and I got it for 300 bucks. It is like a bomber jacket, and I got it in a size medium. I actually wanted a size large, but my sister said it was too big. So this I'm planning to wear on a game drive, since the game drive is pretty early and I need like some warmth, and just rock it out. I don't know what to wear this with. I think this, I need to get more shopping. I need to get like white spandexy type of pants, long ones, yeah, or up to my, yeah, long ones up to my ankles, and then get like a white crop top. So I'm not sure how I'm going to style this for the glamping, but I just thought I should show you how beautiful it looks. Yay! I also bought these shorts from Cotton On. They are from the men's section. I bought a size medium and they're also on sale. Original price 329 and I got them for 100 rand. So yeah, I want to wear this during activities because we are gonna well, the itinerary for the glamping is we're gonna arrive at the glamping area, have dinner, then the next day do activities, and then on Sunday we're gonna go on this lovely game drive. So those are the kind of clothes I need, clothes for those activities. While we still on Cotton On, I got this baggy t-shirt from the men's section. I love the men's section, it's amazing. And I got this one as well. Yana baggy loose t-shirts for when we go have breakfast and I just want to have like spare things to wear and just hang out. And I also bought this bag from Colette because it's safari like it's snake prints, I think. So I bought it and I thought maybe I could rock it for this trip. The arm, rock it out. I'm not sure, but it's still pretty anyway. This is what I mean by I buy things and then when I get home I don't even know how to style it. So I bought this lime green jacket because it was on sale. Original price, I cannot see the original price, but I got it for 150 and I thought that was a steal. It's a crop denim jacket. I've never worn it. I don't know how to wear it. I'm trying to incorporate it here with these clothes because I want my content to be avant-garde. Yeah, so just not really avant-garde because avant-garde is a bit crazy, but I want it to be just like, I want it to be overdressed for glamping. If you have any tips, please feel free to comment down below or to DM me on my Instagram because I love it, but then I have never worn it. Well, since we're going glamping at the Kruger National Park, we are going to take a game drive. So I thought this outfit could be safari-ish. I got this little tanky, this little top. I don't know if it's called a tank top. I got it from Cotton On in the size medium. It was on sale as well. I think it was like 100 rand. And then I got these pants from Factories. Guess it, they were also on sale. I don't remember how much they cost, but they were on sale. I got two. I got this color and I also got the black one. What color is this? Beige? What color is this? Anyway, so I thought this would go good together. I don't know, now I'm kind of having second thoughts. But glamping, I saw these shoes, little kitten heel. How pretty. So I got them just to get them. I don't think they'll go with the glamping because look at this heel. It's too sharp and I don't know, but it's so beautiful. I thought I had to show you. I do not remember the price of these since I removed the tag. I got a size 40. I'm actually a size 39, but it's a bit tight in the front, so I would suggest if you get these shoes, if you buy them online and you're not sure, get a size up. Guys, how pretty. Like an impulsive shopper. Like if I see something in the shop and I like it and I don't buy it, like I mentioned, I will stress about it until I get it. So I bought these boots from Charles & Keith last year and I've never worn them. Guys, are you ready for this? Are you ready for this? How stunning are these boots? Guys, I just take them out of the box and look at them, but I've never worn them. I'm struggling. I don't know how to style them. Can someone please help me? I don't know how to style these. I'm just joking. Boots. And I bought these in a size 39. Guys, look at the heel. I love shoes with like a unique heel. Like you, Sana, Kauchonge. Guys, I love shoes. Are you ready? I call these my penguins. I love these. I've only worn these once because I don't know how to style them. These and the green boots, all I do is wipe them, look at them, give them hugs, and then put them back in the box. And okay, so I am officially tired. That was fun. So I'm not going to show you everything that I'm going to wear on the glamping trip because then I'm spoiling all the fun. I was just showing you just examples of outfits that I might wear or outfits that I was considering wearing, just trying to style up things and see how it goes. So I bought this clothing rail from Takealot. It came in a box like this. So if you're interested, you can just go to Takealot and buy this rail. It's really good, really well spent. So giveaway time. I am giving away something super special, and it's not something I've worn. It's brand new, something I've never worn before. So it's going to go to a lucky viewer. So make sure to subscribe. All the details will be in my next vlog coming up very soon. It's also about glamping. I'll be showing you my packing essentials and all that good stuff. So the competition details will be hidden in that video, so you have to definitely subscribe. Also, please follow me on Instagram because that's where I will be announcing when I have giveaways or when I have a collab with somebody special. So bestie, subscribe. Thank you for watching. Love you.